All right, hello YouTube. Excuse me. I just wanted to post a quick update real quick as to where I've been. As you notice, there hasn't been a video released in more than a week. And I do apologize for that. As you can tell, I have not been feeling well. I just got out of the hospital because of an operation on my stomach. The original operation was supposed to be outpatient, but shortly after the operation, there was complications, and I ended up being hospitalized for a few weeks. And it kind of messed up my throat a little bit, so I can't talk as clearly as I normally do. Not saying that that's very clear to begin with. Anyway, I just want to let you know that I am back. I am out of the hospital. I'm at home recovering. Everything went well. And I want to let you know that I have not ghosted the channel. I just haven't had the opportunity to record a video in a while. Some of the things that are on deck as soon as I do feel better is I'm going to fix the How I Debian series. If you watch that video, about halfway through it, mistakes were made, and I spent like the rest of the 3-part video series fixing that mistake. What we're going to do is once I feel better and I can record, I will record that whole thing again, and we're going to make that like episode 4, 5, and 6 to show you how I do it normally without the mistakes. Once I'm done with that, I also have a video series I'm going to do for Fedora, which is what I'm actually recording on today. That's on my main desktop. And just like with the Debian, we will go through step by step on how I do that. Install any third-party repositories. This is a spoiler alert. There's only one. But anyway, I do apologize, and I just wanted to let you all know where I'm at, where I'm coming from, and that we will resume recording probably here in the next couple weeks once I get my voice back and I can catch my breath and that kind of thing. I really appreciate y'all sticking around with me. I do anticipate losing a couple subs, but I'm pretty sure the majority of you will stick around with me, and I really appreciate your patience. In the meantime, if you want on this video in the comment section, comment on anything else you want to take a look at. Anything you want me to clarify from any videos that's already been put out, and I will look at getting that added to the playlist. Anyway, I'm really starting to get short of breath again, so I will let you all go, and I will see you all in a few weeks. Thanks. Bye.